feature in Sharp Minds, Bold Answers, and a Speediest contest today. Hello, dear viewer, and thank you so much for tuning to Hope Channel. What a beautiful moment that you've actually tuned perfect on time for a thrilling contest between two teams. I don't know who's taking this home, but you have to stay from now to the close of it to know who's taking it home. Join me, Abby Wambua, as I take you through HCK BWiz contest. This is about to begin. So on my far right, I am joined by Kabokyek, a school that say, let us shine. And today you are going to be Team A. Therefore, you're going to give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much. And then on my far left, I am joined by Daniel Adventist School. And they say that we are firm on the rock. This time round as well, give yourself a round of applause. We are not just coming along, we are joined in by our support system. The school has its own substitutes. Just in case they don't get the right answer on time, they can get a support from the substitutes. Therefore, let me begin with Daniel Adventist School, the substitute. Yourself, you can say a name and a word of encouragement as we are about to start this thrilling contest.
My name is Marion Halima from Daniel Adventist High School.
Thank you so much, Marion Halima.
My name is Enoch Mayo, Daniel Adventist.
Thank you so much, Enoch.
My name is Franklin Kipsang from Daniel Adventist.
Thank you so much. Let me hear from Kabokyek.
My name is Faith Cherotich from Kabokyek Adventist.
Thank you.
Robinson Oramis from Kabokyek Secondary School.
Thank you so much. Just remember that we don't just quiz, we inspire, we build, and we aim to be the best. And in that, we are in support of our dear lovely judges. Therefore, I'm going to start from my far left. Kindly, you say your name, a word of encouragement, and wish us success.
Okay, thanks. I'm Harun Yakamori, teacher, Kabokyek Adventist. I teach maths, physics. I wish all of the two participants well.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, please.
My name is Orpa Nyole, a teacher at Daniel Adventist High School. To all the teams, success.
Thank you so much.
I'm Kelvin Goge, a teacher at Daniel Adventist High School. I'm wishing all the teams all the best.
Thank you.
Mwalimu Machogu Josephat, mwalimu kutoka Kabokyek Adventist. Kila laheri timu zote.
Nadhani unafunza lugha ya Kiswahili, somo la Kiswahili.
Bila shaka.
Asante, asante. Now this is our instructions. If a question is mathematical or practical, you're gonna take 1 minute 30 seconds. But if the time is over and your opponent has the correct answer and answers, your opponent gonna get 5 points. That is inclusive if the substitutes as well take in the correct answer. But if you get it correctly, you know how many points you're gonna get? Those are 10 points. So strive to get 10 points. And if a question is theory oriented, you're gonna take only 30 seconds. It's a matter of speed. So you're gonna get yourself 10 points. But if you fail, you know your opponent would be picking it with 5 points extra. So it's a matter of you to work on speed, on time, and therefore match it with clarity and the correct answer. So are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And who thinks gonna win?
Us.
Are you sure this? Yes. So at the end of this, the first part of it, I will be able to know who's taking it home. Anyway, do not worry because you made the first step to here and that is a bonus for you. So this is my team A, Kabokyek. Are you ready to shine?
Yes.
And Daniel Adventist, are you ready to stand on the rock firmly?
Yes.
And therefore, question number 1, we're gonna start it with Kabokyek. Listen carefully. The question goes to us and the substitutes as well. If the question is not clear, kindly say repeat. Okay? Question number 1. A triangle has vertices A in bracket 1, 2, B in bracket 5, 2, and C 3, 6. They are in bracket. The triangle is reflected in the x-axis and then rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? Is it clear? Should I repeat or give you time to work? Kabokyek? It's clear. Your countdown begins right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Just in case for that person who is watching from home, remember a triangle has vertices A into 1 and 2, B 5 and 2, and C 3 and 6. The triangle is reflected in the x-axis and then rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. What are the coordinates of the image of point C? We at 1 minute, 5 seconds. Kabokyek, I am waiting for the answer. The clock is ticking. Your opponents are working. Remember, teamwork is going to save you. Teamwork is going to save you. Think together, give the answer together. This could be your moment to start it at 10, at 0, at 5. So, the clock is ticking. We are at 35 seconds remaining. Kabokyek, Daniel Adventist, we are waiting. We are waiting to see. Remember, the clock is ticking. Remember, the clock is ticking. If you get the correct answer, raise your hand and answer boldly. Brilliant minds answer with a buzz and boldness. Yes, please. Daniela. Daniel Adventist is out on my left. It's also working. And Kabokyek, we add 5 seconds. The time could be over. And you, yes, please.
-6, -3.
-6, -3. Interesting. I love the way it has begun. And we have begun with 10 points. Kabokyek, congratulations. Now to the second question. Listen carefully. Daniel Adventist, x squared minus 4 over x plus 1 is less than 0. Is it clear or should I repeat? It's clear. Your work begins right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Remember, x squared minus 4 over x plus 1 is less than 0. Solve the inequality. I can't wait. So we have 2 teams here. They're up and about. Work is getting interesting and thrilling. We are, remember, 1 minute, 30 seconds. That is the timeline. Remember the time frame we are moving. Daniel Adventist School. All right. We are. How many seconds remaining? How many seconds remaining? I am waiting. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. The clock is ticking. We are at 30 seconds remaining. Daniel Adventist, this could be your time to begin at 0 or at 10 or at 5, depending who got the answer correctly. The time is almost over. The time is almost over. I think right now we are at 10 seconds. You got the answer? If you get the answer, raise your hand and answer. Yes, please. What's your answer?
3.
3. The answer is 3. Interesting. This might be quite challenging. Let me ask Kabokyek. Yes, please.
X is less than positive 2. X is less than negative 2.
Let's take it a little bit slower. X is
less than positive 2. X is less than negative 2.
Ooh, interesting. X is less than positive 2. X is greater or less? Less than negative 1.
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Interesting. Let me ask the substitutes from Daniel Adventist School. Do you have an answer? Yes, please. 1 second for you.
X is less than 2.
X is less than 2. Interesting. Kabokyek substitutes. Do you have a different answer? Yes or no, Kabokyek? 1 second for you, Kabokyek. Kabokyek?
X is less than 2.
X is less than 2. Interesting. You all have answers, but the correct answer is Negative 2 is less than x, less than negative 1, negative 2, less than x, less than negative 1, negative 2, less x is less than negative 1. We actually tried, but we didn't get it correct. Let me take it to Kabokyek for your question. Listen carefully. A number is increased by 25%, and the result is then decreased by 20%. What is the net percentage change from the original number? Is it clear, or should I repeat, Kabokyek? Now, your countdown begins right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds. The clock is ticking. Remember, your opponents are also eyeing on those points. Your substitutes also want you to get something. So, give me teamwork, give me correct answer. Remember, a number is increased by 25%, and the result is then decreased by 20%. What is the net percentage change from the original number? The clock is ticking. We're at 1 minute now. Kabokyek, Team A. Team A, add something to your results. I am waiting. I can see Daniel is like, we also want these 5 points. The substitutes are up and about working. This is nice. Look at teamwork. Teamwork. We at 38 seconds. If you get the answer, raise your hand and answer boldly. I can't wait to tally more points to your team. Daniel is also working. Kabokyek, if you have the answer, raise your hand before the time is over. We at 15 seconds remaining. Wow, I'm waiting. What is the net percentage change from the original number? Yes, please.
0%.
0% or decimal?
0%.
Okay, 0%. Daniel, do you have a different answer? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is your answer?
20%.
20%. We have 0 and 20%. Now, the correct answer is 0. Therefore, Kabokyek gets themselves a 10-point plus. Now to Daniel Adventist School. A tank is filled by one pipe in 5 hours and by another in 10 hours. If both pipes are opened but the second is closed after 2 hours, how long in total does it take to fill the tank? Is it clear, or should I repeat, Daniel? Repeat. A tank is filled by one pipe in 5 hours and by another in 10 hours. If both pipes are open, but the second is closed after 2 hours, how long in total does it take to fill the tank? Your countdown begins right now. Remember, 1 minute, 30 seconds, and the clock is ticking. Your opponent is eyeing on the points. I am waiting. Yes, keep moving. Keep working. Teamwork would save you big time. Teamwork could save you. Teamwork could save you. The clock is ticking and teamwork could save you. I am waiting. Kabokyek is up and about. Daniel is up and about to get the correct answer. Remember, a tank is filled by one pipe in 5 hours and by another in 10 hours. If both pipes are opened, but the second is closed after 2 hours, how long in total does it take to fill the tank? The clock is ticking, Daniel. The clock is ticking, Daniel. Do something. Save your school, save your team. Kabokyek, you have the answer. I see. Remember, your opponents are eyeing on your points. So the faster, the better. We at 15 seconds remaining. Daniel, do something. If the time is over, you know what will happen? I'll go to your opponent. And And the time is over. You have the answer? Yes, please.
It's 1 hour.
Sorry?
1 hour.
1 hour. There's... If I give you a different answer, would you regret? Okay, Kabokyek. 4 hours, and that is the correct answer. Round of applause. Congratulations, Kabokyek. Therefore, you find yourself 5 more points. Now, to the next question. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Now, to Team A, Kabokyek. I think math was a little bit tough. Now, let's pick it up. A titration uses 25.00 centimeter cubed of 0.100 mol HCl to neutralize 20.00 centimeter cubed of sodium hydroxide. What is the concentration of sodium hydroxide? Is the question clear, or should I repeat?
It's clear.
It's clear. The countdown begins right now. Remember, time is on your end. Remember, time is on your end, so that is practical. 1 minute, 30 seconds. I am waiting. Ooh. I can't wait to see who's taking it. 10 or 5, 0 or 5. The clock is ticking. Remember, a titration uses 25.00 centimeter cube of 0.100 mol HCl to neutralize 20.00 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide. What is the concentration of sodium hydroxide? Your time is ticking. We at 45 seconds remaining. Remember to raise your hand if you get the answer correctly. Yes, please.
The answer is 0.125 mol.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you want to change?
No.
If the time is over, you want regret? No. You got the answer correctly. Congratulations, Kabokyek. You got yourself 10 points. Interesting. Let us go to Daniel Adventist School. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now let us take it to the next question. A force versus extension graph for a spring curves at higher forces. What conclusion can be drawn? Is it clear, or should I repeat?
Repeat.
Repeat. A force versus extension graph for a spring curves at higher forces. What conclusion can be drawn?
Hooke's law applies.
Okay, before even the time was done, you gave me the answer. What is your answer again?
Hooke's law applies.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You still have some seconds. Do you want to change?
No.
Okay, interesting. Kabokyek, do you have a different answer?
No.
No, that's the correct answer you have? Interesting. Let me ask. Daniel, substitutes. Do you have a different answer? You could be saving your team.
No.
No. Wow. Kabokyek, substitutes. Do you have a different answer before the time is out? Yes? No. You don't have a different answer, but I do. The correct answer is spring deforms permanently. Therefore, no one got it correct. Kabokyek, this is your time to shine, just like your motto. Listen carefully. A gas is collected over water at 25 degrees Celsius. Total pressure equals to 765 millimeters. Water vapor pressure equals to 25 mmHg. Find dry gas pressure. Is the question clear, or should I repeat? Kabokyek? It's clear. Remember to find out. Your time begins right now. Your time begins right now. 1 minute, 30 seconds, and the time is ticking. Remember, millimeters of mercury are 765. Water vapor pressure is 25 millimeters of mercury. You have 1 minute, 10 seconds to answer. The time is ticking. Kabokyek, this is your time, either to get 10, 5, or 0. Your opponents are watching and they are waiting. Yes, you got the answer. Remember, teamwork will save you. Kabokyek. Teamwork will save you. Substitutes are also working through. I can't wait to see who got this. Remember, time is ticking. Time is ticking. Kabokyek, we at 25 seconds remaining. Your opponents are also eyeing on this question. Time is almost over. A gas is collected over water at 25 degrees Celsius. Total pressure equals to 765 millimeters of mercury. Water vapor pressure, yes?
The answer is
The answer is?
The answer is 298.
298. Interesting, 298. Do you have a different answer, Daniel?
Yes.
What is your answer?
9.739.
9.739, another lover of decimals. Substitutes from Kabokyek.
298.
298. You're supporting your team, I see. Let me take it to Daniel. Substitutes. Do you have a different answer?
138.
138. Interesting. Remember, a gas is collected over water at 25 degrees Celsius. Total pressure equals to 765 millimeters of mercury. Water vapor pressure equals to 25 millimeters of mercury. Find dry gas pressure. The correct answer is 740 millimeters of mercury. Dalton's law, just to be specific anyway. So the answer is 740. Therefore, none of us got it correctly. Let me take it to Daniels. Daniels, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay. A pendulum length is doubled. What happens to the period? Is it clear or should I repeat?
repeat.
A pendulum length is doubled. What happens to the period? Your countdown begins right now. Remember, the multiples that we have, it remains constant, it doubles, it increases by 2 square root, it halves. I love the discussion. Remember, the time is ticking.
You got an answer.
You got it? Yes?
It doubles.
It doubles. That's the answer you have. Thank you so much. Kabokyek, do you have a different answer?
Yes.
What is your answer?
It halves.
It halves. Thank you. Anyone with a different answer from the substitutes? I see no hand at the moment. Therefore, the correct answer is it increases by square root of 2. Therefore, no one got it correct. We are taking it to Kabokyek. Your question, listen carefully. Which property distinguishes animal cells from plant cells under a microscope? Is it clear or should I repeat? Now, your time begins now. 30 seconds. Remember, your results will be coming right now after you answer. Therefore, keep working. Kabokyek, do you have an answer? Yes, please.
Cell wall.
Cell wall. Why?
Because in animal cells, we have the cell wall, but in plants, we don't have the cell membrane.
Interesting. I love your explanation. Daniel, do you have a different answer?
No.
No. Any from the substitutes with a different answer? Okay, thank you. The correct answer is cell wall. Therefore, Kabokyek gets themselves 10 points. 10 points. Congratulations. Now, this could be your chance to save yourself. Sodium thiosulfate reacts with HCl to form a cloudy mixture. Which change makes the reaction faster? Should I repeat or is it clear?
Repeat.
Repeat. Sodium thiosulfate reacts with HCl to form a cloudy mixture. Which change makes the reaction faster? Multiples are diluting HCl, decreasing temperature, using cold water, increasing HCl concentration. Your countdown begins right now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Remember, 30 seconds. And this could be an increase to your points, Daniel. Your opponent is also eyeing on this question. We are almost getting our results. So the quicker, the better. The faster, the safer. Yes?
Increasing HCl concentration.
I love the way we closed it. Therefore, Daniel gets themselves 10 points. Correct. Increasing HCl concentration. Let me get an opinion from one of the judge to say something.
The teams are equal to the task.
Yes.
We have seen the vigor. You can do better than that in future. God bless you.
Thank you so much. You can do better in the second part. Are you ready for the second part? So, dear viewer, thank you so much for staying by. They said they are so ready for the thrilling part, and so are you. So do not leave. Remember, this is Hope Channel, and this is HCK BWiz Contest. My name is Abby Wambua. See you after the break. Much to the second part. Here is we are learning text curiosity, and we can't wait how thrilling it is gonna get. Thank you so much that you stayed by. My teams are still up and about to the task. They also want to take this home. Let me just ask and confirm. Are you ready for the second part?
Yes.
And who thinks is winning?
Us.
Okay. I love the confidence, but the results gonna say it all. So thank you so much, dear viewer, for tuning to Hope Channel. This is HCK BWiz Contest, and my name is Abby Wambua. Welcome again to this second part. Now, I also want to appreciate a change and diversity that has been done in Daniel Adventist School. Welcome so much to the board.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Enoch Mayo.
Thank you so much, Enoch. I know we are going to knock this right, okay? I can't wait to see how this is going to be. Remember, this is Kabokyek and Daniel Adventist School. Team A is Kabokyek and Team B is Daniel Adventist School. There, we're taking our questions ready. Our dear judges, thank you so much for staying by. Your time is coming. The contest is getting thrilling, and therefore our substitutes be up to the task. Question number 1 to Kabokyek. You have to shine just as your motto. Question number 1. Which contradiction best describes Menelik's relationship with European powers before the Battle of Adowa? Is it clear, or should I repeat?
Repeat.
I will repeat with multiples as well. Which contradiction best describes Menelik's relationship with European powers before the Battle of Adowa? A. He accepted Catholicism with opposing missionaries. B. He modernized his army using British officers but fought Italy. C. He rejected all treaties but relied on European trade. D. He signed agreements with Italy but denied their interpretation. Your countdown begins right now. Remember, 30 seconds to work out and give me the correct answer. Discuss as a team. Your opponent is eyeing on the points. Could be 5, could be 10, and lastly, could be 0. Your speed will save you. Your clear answer, your correct answer will save you more. So the ball is on your court. Remember, we are at 6 seconds remaining. Yes, please.
He rejected all treaties but relied on European trade.
Interesting. Our time is over, but let me hear if my other team has different answer. Yes, Daniel Adventist? Yes, please.
D. He signed agreements with Italy but denied their interpretation.
All right. Okay. Kabokyek, do you have a different answer? Yes, please.
Same.
What is your answer?
He rejected all treaties but relied on Europeans.
Hey, Waswahili husema umoja ni nguvu, utengano ni udhaifu. Naona sawa. Let me take it to Daniel Adventist School. What's your answer? Do you have a different answer?
No.
What's your answer?
D.
What does it say?
He signed an agreement with loyalty with Italy but denied their interpretation.
Interesting. But do you know what is the correct answer? Who thinks got it? Kabokyek or Daniel?
Pass.
You're not even sure about your answer. The correct answer is he signed agreements with Italy but denied their interpretation. Congratulations! And that gives 5 points to Daniel. Look at them. They're smiling. Now let me give you your question. We see you're taking 10 or they will get the 5 points. Listen carefully. Which drainage pattern most likely forms around a volcanic cone with alternating lava flows and ash layers? Is the question clear or should I repeat? Repeat. Which drainage pattern most likely forms around a volcanic cone with alternating lava flows and ash layers? Your countdown begins right now. All right. Yes, Enoch. Radial. Why? Do you have a different answer? Or do you want to defend?
No.
Okay, radial. Kabokyek, a different answer? No. A different answer from Daniel?
No.
No. A different answer from Kabokyek?
No.
No. The correct answer is radial. Therefore, you get yourself 10 points. All right. So mathematics was the problem. Mwalimu wa math. Anyway, now let us take it to Kabokyek. Listen carefully to your question. You need to shine just like your motto. Which British economic policy most ensured a stable African labor supply in settler farms? Is it clear or should I repeat? Kabokyek?
Repeat.
I see how smart you are here. Okay. Which British economic policy most ensured a stable African labor supply in settler farms? Your countdown begins right now. I could be giving you multiples anyway. Introduction of taxes payable only in kind. B. Banning traditional barter trade. C. Creation of native reserves. D. Urban minimum wage legislation. Your countdown begins and it's almost coming to an end. Kabokyek.
The answer is C, creation of native reserves.
Do you want to explain?
No.
Let me take it to Daniel. Do you have a different answer?
No.
Or an explanation?
Yeah.
Yes, bring the explanation.
By the creation of native reserves,
yes,
the Africans could be placed in one place. So whenever the British could need any supply of labor, they could just go and bring some of them or just acquire them easily. I think that's the explanation.
Wow. Wow. Any different answer from the substitutes?
No.
And on the other end, Kabokyek?
No.
No. The correct answer, you actually have the right explanation. But the correct answer is creation of native reserves. Therefore, Kabokyek gets yourself 10 points. Amazing. Amazing. But next time, come with explanation, okay? Okay. Let me take it to Daniel Adventist School. Which map evidence best suggests an area is prone to flash flooding? Is it clear or should I repeat?
Repeat.
Which map evidence best suggests an area is prone to flash flooding? A. Meandering rivers and oxbow lakes. B. Broad valleys with thick vegetation. C. Short, steep streams with narrow valleys. D. Presence of deltas and estuaries. Your countdown begins right now. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Emmanuel, Enoch is here. Keep on thinking, discuss. Teamwork will save you. Yes, Enoch.
Choice C.
What?
Short streams with narrow valleys.
Any explanation from the team before the time is over?
No.
The correct answer. Do you have a different answer? No. The same answer. The correct answer is short, steep streams with narrow valleys. Therefore, Daniel gets themselves 10 points. I see Enoch knocked here with good luck. Congratulations. You're doing well. Now, let's take it to Kabokyek. Your question is here. Kabokyek, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Why did the Asante Kingdom experience repeated wars with the British between 1824 and 1900? Is it clear or should I repeat?
It's clear.
It's clear. Your countdown begins right now. 30 seconds. The multiples we have there are 4, but one is going to be the correct answer. The Asante rejected Christianity, dispute over taxation in northern Nigeria, British seizure of Asante women, gold trade, competition, and sovereignty issues. I am waiting. Your opponents are actually eyeing on the answer. The time is almost, yes?
The answer is gold trade competition and sovereignty issues.
Do you want to explain?
No.
But you people feel like you're taking a guess. I feel like you are taking a guess. Are you sure?
Yes.
Let me hear from Daniel Adventist. Do you have a different answer?
No.
Substitutes. Anyone with a different answer, you just raise your hand. A different answer? Okay. No one has raised their hand. Therefore, the correct answer is gold trade competition and sovereignty issues. You got it right, Kabokyek. Hey, but you agreed to get an explanation. Let me ask a question to my people on the other side as we will be preparing a judge to say something. Anyway, we see whether their words will encourage us to do the best. Daniel, a topographic map shows a cliff line with contour lines merging and sharply turning. Which physical feature is being represented?
Repeat.
A topographic map shows a cliff line with contour lines merging and sharply turning. Which physical feature is being represented? Multiples, a plateau edge, B, a spur, C, an escarpment, D, a river bluff. Your countdown begins right now. Yes, please.
Choice C.
What does it say?
An escarpment.
All right. You're giving yourself 10 points. Congratulations. Now, to the judges, kindly say something. I would actually start inviting Daniel's representative to say something.
First, let me congratulate our participants for the good work they are doing.
Yes,
At
please.
least after the short break, they have come up with a lot of energy for the competition.
Yes.
We are wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For gender issues, I have to go again. For a lady, kindly say something.
To all teams, you are great and you are doing good. Do not lose hope. There is still time for improvement. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can we give them a round of applause? Thank you so much. Now, let me throw it to the substitutes. Substitutes from Daniel. Would you say something to your opponent substitutes? Yes, please. Your name and then you give it a shot.
Yes, thank you. My name is Bella Kiplimo.
Yes.
And I just encourage them that to still work hard and there is still success if and there will be a winner and a loser. But what I encourage you, just work hard.
Thank you so much. Now let me go to Kabokyek. Say something.
My name is Robinson Oramis, and
Yes.
I want just to tell them that I know we are getting something from them, and also them are getting something from us.
Amazing. You know, mostly we have said that this contest is not all about competition, but about growth, grit, and above all, glory. You know, we have to buzz with brilliance. Now, to the participants of Daniel Adventist School, what do you want to say to your team as Daniels? Can you speak to yourself? Who's speaking?
Mine is just few words, but I would just like to encourage ourselves to continue the same spirit, leave alone the spirit that we had for the first round. So may we just continue the same spirit.
Thank you so much. I love that team. Now to Kabokyek, say something to yourself.
My name is Arnold Talam from Kabokyek Adventist. All I want to say is I wish you the best. Every team to give their best, and God will bless you.
Thank you. God's blessing any day, anytime. A round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I know that is taking you to the energy. Now, to your question, Kabokyek. Obsolete is to usefulness. As multiple A, broken is to function. B, ancient is to value. C, idle is to potential. D, old is to retirement. What is the answer? Your countdown begins right now. Yes, you got the answer? Yes, please.
The answer is old is to retirement.
Interesting. Now let me take it to Daniel. Do you have a different answer? Yes. What is your answer?
C.
C. What does it say?
Idle is to potential.
Idle is to potential. All right. Substitute of Kabokyek.
B. Ancient is to value.
Thank you so much. And Daniel Adventist School substitutes. Do you have a different answer?
Yes.
What is the answer?
Old is to retirement.
Old is to retirement. You should ask me, what's my answer?
What's your answer?
Who thinks got it right? I love the smiles, but let me break them. The correct answer is broken is to function. Therefore, no one got it right. You want me to explain?
Yeah.
Obsolete things lack usefulness, just as broken items lose function. The relationship is lost through condition, not age or choice. So the answer remains to be broken is to function. Anyway, do not worry. You have more chances to do it better. Now, to Daniel Adventist School, listen to your question. Choose the sentence in which the logical relationship between clauses is flowed. Should I repeat the question?
Yes.
Choose the sentence in which the logical relationship between clauses is flowed. Multiples. Though he revised thoroughly, he still failed. Wow, okay. B, if she had seen the signs, she would have acted. C, despite knowing the rules, he won the case. D, because he had not called, she knew everything was fine. The countdown begins right now. 30 seconds to make a correct answer, to add your points, to deduct, to remain there stagnant. Maybe. We'll see. The clock is ticking. We are at 18 seconds right now. Yes, Enoch?
B. If she had seen the sign, she would have acted.
But they don't leave though. Kabokyek, do you have a different answer? Do you have a different answer? Yes, please.
Though he revised thoroughly, he still failed.
Oh, but I hope you won't stop revising, okay? Keep on revising, you won't fail. Let me hear from Daniel Adventist substitutes. Yes, 1 second for you. Remember, time is given fairly. Yes?
The same.
What is your answer?
If she had seen the sign, she would have acted.
Thank you so much. Kabokyek, say something. Substitutes?
C. Despite knowing the rules, he won the case.
The answer is Because he had not called, she knew everything was fine. Therefore, none of us got the correct answer. 0. That was for Daniels, right? Now, let me take it to Kabokyek. Mambo yamebadilika. Lugha pia imebadilika. Karibu sana katika somo la Kiswahili. Mwalimu wetu wa Kiswahili yupo tayari kujua nani ataipuka kwa mshindi kwa sasa. Swali la kwanza, Kabokyek. Methali ya Kiswahili inayofaa kueleza hali ya mwanafunzi anayesubiri kusaidiwa kila wakati ni ipi? Nirudie swali, niwape majibu mbalimbali.
Tupe majibu mbalimbali.
Aya, jibu la kwanza, A, bahari haivukwi kwa mdomo. B, mgeni njoo mwenyeji apone. Cha, mgala hayavuti kwao ila kwao ni nyumbani. Da, aliye juu ngoje chini. Muda wenu unaanza sasa hivi. Muda wenu unaanza sasa hivi. Kabokyek, sekunde zenu ni sekunde 21 zilizosalia. Mwalimu wa Kiswahili usije ukamvunja moyo na yupo hapa. Na mkumbuke ngeli. Sekunde zinakaribia kuisha. Sekunde ni
Mgala hayavuti kwao ila kwao ni nyumbani.
Asante sana. Wacha tusikie Daniel Adventist School, najibu tofauti. La, jibu lenu ni lipi?
Mgala hayavuti kwao ila kwao ni nyumbani.
Asante sana Kabokyek. Naomba mtusaidie, mnajibu tofauti, naam ama la? La, asante. Daniel Adventist Substitute, mnajibu tofauti? La. Huu ndio wakati mnaoniuliza, je, ninajibu tofauti?
Je, unajibu tofauti?
Jibu lililo sahihi. Ama tujaribu mwalimu wetu wa Kiswahili. Sema jambo kabla niseme.
Bahari haivukwi kwa mdomo.
Jamani, tumia kipaza sauti. Na mwalimu wa Kiswahili.
Bahari haivukwi kwa mdomo.
Ungependa kufafanua? Labda wasidhani mimi nina upendeleo.
Inamaanisha kwamba huwezi kutumia vitu visivyofaa kuifanyia kazi isiyofaa. Kwa mfano, bahari huwezi kuivukia kwa kutumia mdomo. Mfano, unapovuka bahari kwa kutumia mdomo, hata maji yakaingia mdomoni huenda ukafa. Hivyo ndio maana nasema kwamba ni sawa na ile ninasema kwamba methali nawaambia wanafunzi kueleza hali ya mwanafunzi anayesubiri kusaidiwa kila wakati, ndio hiyo sasa.
Asante sana mwalimu, asante. Jamani, naomba mpe pongezi kwa kofi zenu. Asante sana. Jibu la mwalimu ni sawia na jibu la kwangu ambalo linasema bahari haivukwi kwa mdomo. Maelezo tu, msione ya kwamba ninampendelea zaidi. Methali hii hufundisha kuwa hali haiwezi kubadilishwa kwa maombi au matarajio tu. Lazima kuwe na jitihada binafsi kama vile mwanafunzi. Haya, Kabokyek, ni kama nafasi yenu ilikuwa inafikia papo hapo. Matokeo yenu yanazidi kuandaliwa, tutajua itakuwaje. Mlisema who is gonna win? Who's winning?
Us.
Oh, okay. Now let me take it to the other side. Daniel Adventist School, are you still ready for this?
Yes.
If you're ready, can you give yourself a round of applause? Thank you. That's the energy I am seeing. So listen to your question. Bado katika lugha ya Kiswahili. Katika fasihi simulizi. Katika fasihi bunilizi. Kipengele cha motifu huleta nini hasa katika kazi ya sanaa? Nirudie? Kabla hata kurudia, mwalimu wa Kiswahili, na swali kwako. Bunulizi ni sahihi ama ni simulizi?
Lizi ni sahihi.
Okay, asante.
Kwa sababu ya ubunifu.
Aya, asante. Hivyo basi umeelewa. Katika fasihi bunulizi, kipengele cha motifu huleta nini hasa katika kazi ya sanaa? Niwape majibu mbalimbali?
Naam.
Jibu la kwanza, A, mwonekano wa wahusika wenye migogoro. B, urejeleo wa tukio kuu kwa njia ya kinaya. Cha, marudio ya dhana au ishara ili kuimarisha ujumbe. D, ushairi unaojitokeza katika maelezo ya mandhari. Muda wenu unaanza sasa hivi. Kumbuka, hili ndilo swali lenu la mwisho. Kujitahidi kujizolea alama 10, 5 au 0. Mpira uko upande wenu. Sekunde za hesabika. Kumbuka Kiswahili, zingatia ngeli na matamshi yaliyo sahihi. Your opponents are eyeing on this point. Your opponents are eyeing on this point. Naam. Inasemaje?
Marudio ya dhana au ishara ili kuimarisha ujumbe.
Ungependa kufafanua?
La hasha.
La hasha. Kwa sababu ya muda nitawapa jibu sahihi kwa sasa. Je, Kabokyek, mnajibu tofauti?
Naam.
Lipi?
Muonekano wa wahusika kwenye migogoro.
Asante. Kwa substitutes wetu mnajibu tofauti. Iwapo lipo, naomba muinue mkono. Naam.
Ba. Urejeleo wa tukio kuu kwa njia ya kinaya.
Asante. Wacha niwape maelezo kwa sekunde tu. Motifu ni dhana, neno au picha inayojirudia rudia katika kazi ya sanaa ili kuimarisha dhamira kuu au hisia fulani. Hivyo basi jibu sahihi ni cha. Hivyo basi mejizoelea alama 10. Asante sana. Hivyo basi nasubiri kupata matokeo yenu, lakini lile ambalo ningependa kusema ni kwamba pongezi. Hongera kwa kupata nafasi ya kuungana nasi na kujaribu katika mambo haya, kwa sababu hata kama haujaibuka kuwa mshindi, ni kwamba umeweza kusoma jambo moja au lingine. To our dear viewer, thank you so much for being with us since we began till right now. It's been a pleasure. Our judges, asanteni sana kwa kuja. Mwalimu wa Kiswahili, tunashukuru sana kwa uwepo wako. To the rest of the teachers, we want to say thank you so much. To our substitutes, asanteni. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting. Enoch, you joined the team, and this was quite bustling. Thank you. And for Kabokyek, thank you so much. Therefore, say a word to your opponent if they could be the winner. Yes, Daniel, say a word.
I would like just to say that in each start as an N and as a winner and a loser.
Thank you. Thank you. Say something, Kabokyek. You actually have like 3 seconds to say something. The clock is ticking, yes?
Say thank you. We have gotten a chance to interact. May God bless you.
I love the way. Do you want to be a pastor anyway? You have a lot of blessing, and that is so beautiful. So, these are the results. Daniel, thank you so much for coming. And Daniel, thank you so much for coming. Kabokyek, thank you so much for coming. Team A and B, these are your results. Kabokyek has 65 points. A round of applause. You want to cry? You tried. And Daniels has 55 points. A round of applause. Thank you so much. Until next time, same day, same place. See you then. Stay safe. My name is Abby.